All right, y'all. I'm loaded. Now I'm about to pull out this gate. So we finna go up in that corner right here and get along this wall right here so we can get out there. All right, that's it. That's it. Let's go. First, we gotta get this way. So we're gonna take it all the way over this way, man. Turn it. Don't want to hit shit. See my little mirror. That's the bug eye mirror. I'm using it on the highway. Get your ass caught up using that shit. So then we're gonna turn this way. Cock it back. Okay. Look at that one right there. We going back in that corner. We gotta go back in the corner so we can get out this gate. The door is still open because it's uneven ground. It won't close straight. So yeah. We're gonna cut it. Keep it going that way though. Yep. We're gonna look on that side now. Hold on, let's switch that. Boom. We'll come back over here. See? We'll look at that one. Trying not to fuck up y'all view. Alright. Now we're gonna stay right here. We're finna bank out this gate. Alright. Alright, so now we're finna go out the gate. Get that wheel turned all the way. Wait a minute, hold up. We're gonna let it roll down like so. We're gonna have to come back and jackknife it a little bit because I know it wasn't gonna make it just doing it like that. We gotta jackknife it. Alright. We're gonna turn it again back the other way so we can get out the gate. All the way. All the way. Grab with my elbow. There we go. See, look. You gotta jackknife it again. Got to jackknife it. Back it up, back up, back up, back up. Oh, a little more. Don't want to hit the dock though. No, we ain't doing it that tight. See? And we out the gate, folks. Next order of business, we gotta come out in an angle to where we can't hit this gate on that side. So I'm gonna take the phone. We're gonna watch that one. Right? You gotta watch this part, see? So we're going this way. Right? To come out in a good enough angle so we can get it out the gate. We good over here, see? Good circumference. That's the problem now. So we gotta come out. Out, 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 out. See? Now we made it out the gate. Now, what the problem is, see? We gotta cut it back. Cause that's the curve right there. So now, we gotta jackknife it again. Back it up, son. Just a hair. Bam. See? Curve in front of us. And we gonna make our turn up out of here again. This time we heading up out of here though. See, we good now. See? Let me pull up right quick, get myself all situated. Switch hands. Come over here so I close these doors because they're not closed, as you can see. If you can't really tell, the door's still open. Alright, so now we're finna get out. Go close these damn doors. And that'll be it. Crazy days, man. Crazy days. You know? And they about to pull up in there now. We close these doors to get my ass out of here. Whew. Give me a second, put this phone down. Yep. These traders ain't all that good. Some of them older than others. Some of them rusted out here. They got a lot of rust problems out here. But shit works. Bam. Doors are closed. So this is where I was. I came in through here, backed up to the middle dock, and pulled out that dock. There it is. It's your man Rebirth. I'm out.